Welcome everybody, Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is Monday, February the 8th. We are breaking bomb box full-size helmets. We randomed up our 7 remaining box numbers. We got box number 5. We did random teams for it on your left. Teams, customers have been randomized, alphabetized. We gave everybody a chance to trade, but nobody's going to trade. We know all 7 hits from the checklist, so guys are just afraid to trade away hits there. Alright, here we go. I just wanted to double check, make sure nobody was at least offering live teams. Ouch. Wow, guys, man, I am so sorry, everybody. Tonight has been sort of a new guy night, folks. Mr. Al Kashu right at the top of our list. I know so many guys wanted this helmet too, folks. Bam, going to be the Larry Fitzgerald Ice. It is a rep, guys, but like I said, this is an 800-hour helmet, guys. This was won on an 800-hour line. Your card is stuck inside here, bud. Just want to show you real quick. It's on a little clip there. But that is going to be Larry Fitzgerald that has the full signature, guys. Like I said, this is an 800-hour helmet, folks. So that is going to be Mr. El Kashu, man. He sucked bad on a damn filler, guys. But one filler steps on in and hits that, bud. Several guys in the room are interested in this El Kashu. So let me, if you are interested in trading it or selling it, you know, check in the room there because several guys were actually chasing that. There's also a guy who said he'd trade a flex for it if you wanted, bud. So I'll cash you, like I said, I'll IM you with that guy's name or whatever. You guys can do a deal if you want, if you don't trade or sell it to somebody else. But Cody had said he would trade a flex for it, so I'll cash you. It's Nathan. Man, this damn marker. Alright, well, we're going to pull our Kashu out. For or higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 times, folks. I got Steve and Morty on the qualifiers there. That is going to be qualifiers 75, 76. We got 6 boxes left in the series before we award that. Breakers.tv, YouTube, and Facebook, folks. Y'all have a wonderful night.